Good morning, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I get the bull truck here ready for a road trip. As you can see, this thing is filthy. It's always filthy for some odd reason. Yeah, I'm going to get it ready to go on a trip this weekend, clean it up. This is long overdue, especially up here. The dash, the windshield is terrible. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but the windshield is terrible. But by the time y'all are seeing this video, I'm going to be headed to Alabama. I'm going to be in Alabama this weekend, so I need to get the truck cleaned up. See you guys at the car wash. Alright, now as you can see, you know, $5 at the car wash, and it gets it pretty nice. Wash the motor, get all that, get most of the bugs off, most of the bug guts off. Got all that, all up under here, all that nice and clean. The windshield, the bed cover. Down here, got the door jambs all up in there and down here. A lot of people forget that, but that's a good thing to do. Pulled the floor mats out, got them all washed up. Now we'll head back to the house and kind of air dry this thing and get to detailing. Okay, now that I've washed the truck off down at the car wash, got most of the big stuff off, just about everything off of it. Even the windshield looks a whole lot better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over it with the Adams Polishes detail spray around the whole outside of the truck and get that done, and I'll show you all the results here in a second. Okay guys, real quick, I want to show you another reason. As you can see, I've done the hood here. It's absolutely amazing. Just detail spray, no wax or none of that. And another thing, I have done half of the grill here. You can see bug guts on the emblem overlay, and you see the other half. You can see the line that I did right here. I've done the whole hood, and my goodness, it's amazing. You can see here just the reflection that comes from the detail spray is amazing. Even on the overlay, it was stained, and it got the stains off of it. Headlights down the side of the truck here. I have another shipment of Adams Polishes stuff that I ordered last weekend, and I was hoping it would be here today, but it hasn't showed up yet. FedEx got delayed, but should be here tomorrow, which tomorrow I'll be gone. But yeah guys, I'll finish up doing the rest of the truck and get an after picture in the sun over there for you guys. Y'all, I know this is for the exterior vehicle, but you see how dirty this is right here? This hasn't been cleaned. It's probably 3 years. But look at this. Spray that stuff on nice and good. Set that down. Grab your microfiber. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. Like that. Takes it off with ease. Up here, now this is textured. I mean, that is amazing. If y'all remember, the other side is a lot worse, and you'll see it in the outro of this video. And it's, look at that. I love Adams Polishes stuff. This is the first time I've ever used it on the interior of a truck. And it's amazing. I'm gonna do the dash next. But look at that. Even for this textured, it did really well. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Alright, here it is. All clean. Got all the bugs off. Even got most of the stains out of the overlay. It's amazing how a little bit of time. Look at this. You see everything perfectly in the door. But yeah, here it is. And again, this is not buffed. No wax, none of that. It needs buffed. It does have some scratches here. And where the other side was repainted, I don't know if you can see it on camera, where they buffed half of the bed. And I think you can see that right there. There you go. I don't know why they only buffed half of the bed, but whatever. But here she is. Yep, the floor mat's cleaned up. Clean the door jambs. I do that every time I wash the truck. And floor mats, like I said. Vacuumed out the carpet a little bit. Not going to get too in detailed because we are going to go on about a, I think it's like a 600-mile trip one way. I'm going to try to clean up the door panels a little bit more. Over there is especially bad. Clean up the dash and the windows. But you guys get the idea. I just made the giveaway video, so go check that out. It will be the last upload. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for the 500 subscriber mark. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. I do appreciate it. Please leave a like down below. Comment and tell me what you think. And tell me what you guys use when you wash your vehicles. I like to use Adams Polishes. This is Thursday when I'm making this video. I have a lot more stuff ordered, but this is mainly what I use. I love this stuff. All of Adams Polishes smells amazing, and work really well. You guys seen the bug guts and such up here, and it's all gone. It's amazing. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon. That way you're notified when I do post a video. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.